Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making barbecue chicken. So there's the chicken, I season it with paprika, some soul food seasoning, some garlic powder, some meat tenderizer, and garlic pepper seasoning. And I'm cooking rice and some type of vegetable. So Yep. So right now it's gonna marinate for about an hour and a half, and then once it's done marinating, I'll be back. So now what we're gonna do is bake to 350, and then start, and then we're gonna wait. But in the meantime, while that's preheating, I'm gonna show y'all my dog. Look at him, he's so cute. It's sunny, you guys. It'll be January 28th. He posing. He posing, you guys. And here's the marinade. When it's sitting there, it's kind of nasty. Put the foil back on there, but it looks good when it gets done. So cover it up. And then we're gonna get the rice stuff out. Whereas we're making mixed vegetables, you guys, which is mixed vegetables. And then, yep. So once it's done preheating, I put it in the oven. I'll show y'all what I do to make the barbecue sauce. I'll be back. So our oven is done preheating to 350. Now we're gonna put our chicken in the oven for about an hour and a half. And then here's our pot. We're gonna put the mixed vegetables in. And then here's our pot that we're gonna put the rice in. So again, 350, and then oven for an hour and a half, and I showed y'all the seasonings. So, all right, I'll catch y'all when it's done. So I'm currently watching DK4L while the chicken is cooking. I'm watching YouTube videos for about an hour, and then I'm gonna start doing the sides, and then yep, so that's kind of what I'm doing. So, see you soon. So I'm back. I decided to watch Criminal Minds on Netflix on my laptop. That's kind of what I'm doing while the chicken is cooking. And then after that, watch a few Criminal Minds. I'm going to start the sides and check the chicken. So I'll see y'all then. So right now we got the chicken cooking. I'm gonna flip it a little bit. Took the foil off, and right here I'm gonna throw that away. So here's the chicken still cooking. And then I'm probably gonna put barbecue sauce in a little bit till it's finished cooking. Yep. There's Sunny. Look, bud. Alright, see you soon. The chicken is looking like this. So we're gonna check it. There. I think it's pretty much done with the check. Let's see. And I'm gonna show y'all how I put the barbecue sauce on. Right. So again, I flipped the chicken. As you can see here, I flipped the chicken. And now we're gonna get ready to do the barbecue sauce. Alright, so we're gonna pour the chicken. We're gonna put the sauce on the chicken. There we go.
So good. I wish I could eat it today, but I can't.
And so, pour some sauce. I'm trying to get a little bit of saucy. Okay. try to coat it. So come back. Here's the finished sauce with the chicken. We're gonna put it back into the oven.
Ow.
Put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the sauce can stick to the chicken. And I'll show y'all the finishing product. All right. Look at that, you guys. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna cook for like 5 more minutes and then be done. So I got it out the oven and it looks beautiful. So right now I'm gonna pack it up. The chicken, I'm gonna taste it and pack up the rest of the chicken and then cook this out tomorrow for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. I hope everybody have a great New Year's and welcome to 2020. All right, and catch y'all in the next clip. Bye. See, I packed the chicken up, so it's ready for when I make the sides. Excuse my dog, he's barking. So yep, packed it up. Pack it up. It's delicious. It's beautiful. All right. Bring it in the New Year's.
Because don't you have rice?